Well, the other big story this hour, the sale and registration of vehicles older than 7 years has now been banned by the Supreme Court in India. The Supreme Court of India has dismissed a plea by auto manufacturer to allow the sale and the registration of vehicles older than 7 years. The top court has said that only vehicles that clear the BS4 emission norms will be allowed from April 1st. Vehicles which were manufactured in 2010 come under the Bharat Stage Emission 3 norms, while those manufactured in 2017 come under Stage Emission 4. This means that the vehicles under BS3 norms are likely to pollute more than those which come under the BS4 norms. The Environment Pollution Control Authority, which had sought a ban on registration of such vehicles after April the 1st, said the automobile firms were having the latest technology for a long time and that these should have scaled down the production of BS3 vehicles. All right, well, let's take a look on what the emission levels actually mean, the BS levels. Well, vehicles that were manufactured in 2010, well, they come under the emission 3 norms, while those, as we mentioned, come under the 2017 are under the stage emission 4. This means the vehicles under the BS3 norms are likely to pollute more than those which come under the BS4. Well, earlier we spoke to Murad Ali Beg, an automobile expert. Let's listen in.
The pipeline from between manufacturer and the sale to the customer is a distance of about 4 to 5 months. Now, therefore, if a car is manufactured today, according to BS3, it may take about 4 to 5 months before it's actually sold in the market. Now, what the court appears to have said is they're not convinced that there's a sufficient reason. Now, if the court does not relent, what it will mean is that there will be several thousand unsaleable cars with the dealers, which will cause a colossal loss to them. And some of the car companies will have to bail out their dealers by taking the liability themselves. If the court does not give a little window, there will be many thousand unsold cars and unsaleable cars. Because as a customer, I would not like to buy a BS3 car if I know I may have problems tomorrow.